In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all blocked emails in Gmail. Let's face it, managing your inbox can sometimes feel like a daunting task, especially when it comes to controlling which emails make it to your primary space for communication. But, don't worry, today we'll break it down together in a way that's both simple and effective. The first step to navigate this process is to log into your Gmail account. As you open Gmail in your browser, simply use your credentials to sign in. Once you're comfortably in your inbox, your attention should turn to the gear icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. This little icon is pivotal as it opens the door to all your Gmail settings. So, give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to choose See All Settings. This action will guide you to a more comprehensive view of your settings, which is exactly where we need to be. Next, keep an eye out for the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Now, I know that might sound a bit technical, but I promise, it's quite straightforward. This section of Gmail is like Command Central for your email management controls, especially for sorting out who can email you and who cannot. Click on the tab, and voila, you're right where you need to be. As you scroll down just a touch, you'll encounter a section aptly titled, "The following email addresses are blocked." This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all email addresses that you have chosen to block over time. It's incredibly useful because it provides you with full visibility into who won't be able to contact you via email unless you decide otherwise. In this list, you'll see all these blocked email addresses laid out, allowing you to review everyone who, for now, is unable to send you messages. If, by chance, you spot an email address that you'd like to unblock, perhaps you're ready to receive communications from this contact again, it's very easy to do so. Simply click on the Unblock option right next to the specific email address. After you do that, emails from that address will once again start to appear in your inbox. Taking a moment to review this list can be quite enlightening. It gives you a clear view of whom you've chosen to cut off from your inbox and allows you to ensure you're not missing any essential communications. Ultimately, at the end of this brief review, you'll have a firmer grasp on which emails you'll allow back into your digital space, helping you maintain an organized and efficient inbox. So there you have it, a simple yet effective approach to managing your blocked emails using Gmail settings. Keeping tabs on your list ensures that your inbox remains secure and functional, tailored to fit your individual needs. Give it a try and rest assured that you're firmly in control of your own inbox.